Okay, welcome to step 2 or part 2. You've made it through for the RCC contingency plan. This step is basically now equipping my desktop computer with Wi-Fi. So again, the scenario is the desktop computer's physical network, the network cable, the Comcast is down, so we need to get another source of internet. So our computer doesn't have a wireless adapter in it. Our desktop computers, none of them do. So we basically have to provide that. So the first thing first is we have to disconnect our computer from the physical network. And remember, we said our phone and our computer are one and the same. They're both connected to the internet. That's how they work, and that connection's down. So I need you to flip your desk phone over, and I need you to pull the green cord out of the back of the phone. The green cord, if you pulled the right cord out, the phone will go dead, the phone will go black, because the phone gets its power from the network cable. So if you pull the right cable, you know that the phone goes out and the computer will fall off the network and it'll lose its connection. So you're off the network. So the next thing is you need to provide a connection to the network. So go see your manager who has from the help desk the little emergency kit, and this is basically the Netgear dongle. This is what's going to plug in the front of your computer, and this is what's going to turn your desktop computer into a laptop computer with wireless capability to connect to the MiFi from Verizon that's in the window within your office. Now, your desktop computer does have to be in the same office with the Verizon MiFi that's in the window. The distance is limited to probably like 50 feet. You can't be on the other side of a brick wall. So again, you have to be in close proximity to the MiFi that's in the window with this device to work. But this will allow your desktop computer to connect over to the MiFi device. So take this out of the box, keep this box handy so that we can put this in here because we don't want to lose the device, and then simply insert the device in the USB port. The help desk has already pre-installed the driver that's necessary, aka the CD that comes in the box. We've already pre-installed that. So you plug in the device and you're going to have to wait. The device will configure itself. It'll take about 2 minutes for it to go. You'll hear a couple different beeps, and then when the final beep is done, you should hear 2 or 3 beeps. You can now click on your desktop over here to the Netgear WNA3100. This is their piece of software for connecting to the internet, and you click on Join Network. When you join network, it will go out there and it'll scan all the networks. Now, you might have to click the refresh to actually refresh, but what you are looking for is you're looking for your Verizon MiFi device. So you will look for a CMH something something. So CMH 2636-MiFi. All of our MiFis are labeled clearly with an asset tag on the front of them. It'll have a CMH with the number of the MiFi and MiFi on the end. Simply double click on that one to connect to it, and you need to supply the password. Remember, the password is on the back of the MiFi device. And on this device, it's Liberty 248 with a capital L. That's Liberty 248 with a capital L. You put that in, and if you put in the proper password, bingo, now I'm connected. So now I'm connected to the internet via the dongle on the front of the computer that's talking to the Verizon MiFi that's in the window, and I now have internet connectivity. To verify this, I can just simply go and to open up a tab and just do a google.com, and I can tell that I'm connected. One of the other things that you can do just to make sure is you can use this site. What is my IP address? So this actually will tell you your IP address, and sometimes that's helpful because it will let you know that you're on a Verizon network, but that's not necessary. If you can Google something, you're good to go, and you've completed step 2. Your computer is now connected to the Wi-Fi network, and proceed on to step number 3.